Does your Windows PC feel sluggish or bloated, even after a clean install? Are you looking for ways to boost performance, tighten privacy, and remove unnecessary clutter, all without installing heavy third-party software? Today I'll walk you through an incredibly powerful, lightweight tool called Windows Optimizer by HolzErk on GitHub. With just a few clicks, it can take your system from slow and cluttered to lean, fast, and more secure. Quick disclaimer, this tool makes system-level changes. Results may vary, so use it at your own risk and back up important files or create a restore point first. Let's dive in. First, head over to the official Windows Optimizer GitHub page. Once you're there, look for the Releases section. You'll find it either on the right-hand side or under a tab near the top of the page. This is where all the latest versions of the tool are published. As of recording this video, the most current version is 16. Be sure to double-check for any newer versions, as the developer frequently updates the tool with bug fixes and new features. Click on the .exe file listed under Assets to start the download. Depending on your browser, the file might appear at the top of the screen or in your Downloads tray. Once it's finished downloading, go ahead and open the file from your Downloads folder. If Windows shows a smart screen warning, don't panic. This is normal with tools that aren't signed by Microsoft. Just click More Info, then hit Run anyway. When prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow the tool to run with administrator privileges. Within a few seconds, you'll see the tool's main interface appear. Select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. English is the default, and then click OK. From here, you're ready to begin optimizing your system with a clean, easy-to-use interface. Now that you're inside the tool, let's start with the General tab. This is where the core optimization features live, and most of them work on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Here are some of the most important tweaks you'll find here. Enable performance tweaks. This is the first box you'll want to check. It adjusts a variety of internal Windows settings to help reduce system latency and make everything feel more responsive. It can shorten the time it takes to close unresponsive programs, improve app launch times, and generally make your PC feel snappier, especially on mid or low-end systems. This tweak is completely safe and reversible. Disable network throttling. Windows sometimes limits your network bandwidth when it thinks you're doing multimedia tasks, like streaming music or watching videos. But for gamers or people on voice calls, this can actually cause lag. By disabling network throttling, you may unlock your system's full internet performance, especially during online gaming, screen sharing, or streaming. Disable Windows Defender, limited support. This option used to be a popular tweak for freeing up resources, but on newer builds of Windows 11, Microsoft has locked this down with additional security protections. If you're on Windows 10 or an older Windows 11 version, it may still work, but be cautious. If you need antivirus protection, make sure you've installed a trusted, third-party alternative before turning this off. Disable telemetry services. By default, Windows constantly sends diagnostic and usage data to Microsoft from both the OS itself and apps like Office and Visual Studio. This tweak disables those background data collections, which can slightly improve performance and significantly enhance privacy. Disable unnecessary services. This is where you can really slim things down. You'll find options to turn off. Print and fax services. Not useful if you don't use a printer. Media sharing. Helps reduce background CPU usage. Sticky keys. Often triggered accidentally and rarely needed. Superfetch. Sysmain. Helpful on older HDDs, but can actually slow down modern SSDs. Firefox and Chrome Telemetry stops your browser from sending usage data to Mozilla or Google. Disabling these optional services reduces background clutter and gives your system more room to breathe, especially noticeable if you're working with limited RAM or CPU. Windows tab. Tweak Windows 11's core features. This tab is where you'll find a ton of useful adjustments specifically designed for Windows 11, though a few also work with Windows 10. Here are the key options worth checking out. Restore Classic File Explorer. Look, if you're not a fan of the modern Windows 11 Explorer with its new layout and ribbon, you can revert it back to the cleaner, more familiar Windows 10 style interface. This tweak brings back the old navigation structure, great for those who prefer simplicity and consistency. Disable Start Menu Ads. Yes, even in Windows 11, Microsoft can occasionally slip in app suggestions or promotions in your Start menu. This toggle disables those completely, giving you a cleaner, more focused experience. Disable TPM 2.0. Check. If you're running Windows 11 on hardware that doesn't officially meet the requirements, especially older CPUs or systems missing TPM 2.0, this option will let you bypass update checks and avoid annoying compatibility warnings. Stop forced major updates. This lets you pause or block future Windows version upgrades, which is great if you finally got your system running just the way you want it and don't want Microsoft changing things overnight with a new build. Turn off Xbox services and Cortana. Don't use the Xbox Game Bar, Xbox Live, or Cortana? Disabling these background services frees up RAM and CPU usage. Especially useful if you don't game on Xbox or use voice assistants, UI tweaks galore. Additional privacy and system tweaks. Here's a quick rundown of even more toggles you'll find in the tool, perfect for tightening privacy and reducing background clutter. Disable automatic updates. Stop Windows from pushing random updates at the worst times. Block driver updates. Useful if Windows keeps overwriting your GPU or audio drivers. Turn off Cloud Clipboard. Prevents your clipboard data from being synced across devices. Disable sensor services. Cuts off background tracking features like location or ambient light sensors. Remove Cast to Device. Cleans up your right-click menus if you don't use wireless casting. Disable the Game Bar. Saves resources if you don't use Xbox overlay features. UWP Apps tab. This tab is super useful if you want to clean up pre-installed Microsoft Store apps you never use. We're talking apps like Xbox, Weather, OneNote, Spotify, Maps, and more. All those bundled programs that take up space and run background services you probably don't need. You can quickly select and uninstall them in bulk with just a few clicks. Quick warning: be careful not to uninstall the Microsoft Store itself, unless you know how to reinstall it later. Removing it means you won't be able to install any new apps from the store, including some useful system utilities and game launchers. Startup tab. This tab lets you easily manage startup programs, the apps that automatically launch every time you boot your PC. A lot of these don't need to run in the background 24/7. Things like Spotify, Discord, or update checkers can usually be disabled. Just uncheck the ones you don't need. Fewer startup apps equals faster boot times and less background clutter. Let me know if you're covering the remaining tabs or want an outro script to tie everything together. Apps tab. This tab gives you a quick way to install popular utilities without having to hunt them down manually. Some of the most useful options include 7. Zip for extracting and compressing files. VLC Media Player, a reliable video player that plays almost anything. Notepad++, great for coding or editing text. Visual Studio Code, a powerful lightweight code editor. Just check what you want and click Install. No ads, no bloat, no separate websites. Cleaner tab. If your system's running low on storage or just feels cluttered, this tab is a handy built-in cleaner designed to free up space and help your PC run smoother. It acts like a lightweight version of popular cleanup tools, such as CC Leaner, but without the extra ads or confusing options. With just a few clicks, you can safely remove temporary files that Windows and apps no longer need, which can accumulate over time and take up gigabytes of space. Leftover files from Windows updates that often remain after installing patches and can slow down your system. Browser cache and cookies for popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, which can pile up and occasionally cause slowdowns or loading errors. Items in your recycle bin, helping permanently delete files you no longer need. Crash dumps and error logs, which are diagnostic files that are useful to developers but not necessary for daily use. The interface is clean and easy to use. Just select what you want to clear and hit Clean. It's a quick and efficient way to reclaim disk space and help improve overall system responsiveness. Important note: clearing browser cookies and cache will log you out of websites and may remove saved preferences, so be sure you have your passwords handy or synced before cleaning. This app is actually quite extensive with tons of options and tweaks. Far too many to cover in just one video without making it way too long and overwhelming. So if you found this helpful and want more deep dives into other features, let me know. Maybe I'll do a part 2 in the future that explores everything else in detail. If this video helped you out, please smash that like button. It really boosts the channel in the algorithm and encourages me to make more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows optimization guides, tech tips, and tutorials coming your way. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.